Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Awe Ayodeji Samson, a former student of OAU degree, and of course, I'm also a former student of Akahi Tutors. You are welcome to Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife, and this afternoon we are here to discuss with you and to solve questions that you have been battling with. The question that's going to help you is it are you going to write JAMB, post-UTME, pre-degree, JUPEP, and the School of Nursing? You can call Akahi Tutors on this number you are seeing on this advert, or click on the link you are going to see below this video, and also click on the subscribe button. So let's go. The question one is: a plant which grows on another plant without apparent harm to the host plant is called dash. So option A is a parasite, option B an epiphyte, option C a saprophyte, and option D a predator, option E a hermaphrodite. As you know that a parasite is a living organism that live in or on another organism called host and cause harm to the host. So if we check option B, an epiphyte, a plant that grows on another plant, especially one that that's not parasitic. So when we talk about epiphyte, a plant that grows on another plant without causing any harm, but stay there for just support. So if you check option C, a saprophyte. A saprophyte, they are like decomposer. So option D is a predator. A predator is a living organism causing harm to the prey. So if you check option E, a hermaphrodite. A hermaphrodite is an organism that possess both male and female sexes. So the best option for this number one question is option B, an epiphyte. Question number two: given the equation CO2 plus water, giving us glucose and oxygen under sunlight and chlorophyll, the question says that the process represented by the above equation is dash. A, protein synthesis; B, respiration; C, photosynthesis; D, transpiration; and E, translocation. Okay, if you check protein synthesis, is the process by which cell manufacture their protein. If you check option B, respiration is process of taking in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide, where series of changes take place and where glucose is being broken down to release water and CO2. So option D, option C, which is the photosynthesis, is the process whereby an organism has the ability to manufacture their own food. That is, ability to synthesize their own food on their own. Option D, transpiration. When we look at transpiration, transpiration is the process by which living plants lose the water through the leaf. And E, translocation. As we all know that translocation is the process by which plants conduct their food. The conduction or the transportation of food within the plant. So the best option for this number two is option C. So this equation represents photosynthesis. Number three, given the equation CO2 plus water, giving us glucose and oxygen under sunlight and chlorophyll, the question says the oxygen given off during the above process is derived from dash. Okay, this is a reaction taking place between carbon dioxide and water, give us glucose and oxygen. As we all know, this is a photosynthetic chemical equation. Option A says sunlight, that the water comes from sunlight. Option B says that the water comes from chlorophyll. Option C says that the water comes from carbon dioxide. Option D, atmosphere. Option E, water. As we all know that during photosynthesis, the light energy is being absorbed by a pigment in the plant, and the pigment is called chlorophyll. So once this pigment become energized, that is the chlorophyll, once it become energized, it's used that to split water into two, which means photolysis of water, as you've seen on this screen, which means photolysis of water. So once this has taken place, the OH minus, what I said earlier is that it is the meaning is photolysis of water, splitting of water into hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions. So this hydroxide ion then undergoes some series of reactions, releasing oxygen and of course water and 4 electrons. So the oxygen gas comes from water during photolysis of water. So the best option for number 3 is E. So for more details and for more explanation, for intensive explanation on this question, visit Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife or call the number you've seen on this screen, or after this video click the link provided below this video and also click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Number 4, the question says one of the function of xylem is dash. One of the function of xylem is dash. As we all know that xylem is a portion within the vascular bundles of a plant that support or conduct water and mineral salt from the root to other parts of the plant. Like I've said, they conduct water and mineral elements from the root to other parts of the plant. So option A says they strengthening the stem, B manufacturing food, C reducing loss of water, D conducting manufactured food, E storing unused sugar. Like I've said earlier, one of the functions of xylem is that they conduct they conduct water and mineral elements from the root to other part of the plant, and of course the second one is that they also support and strengthen the stem of the plant. So the best option for this is option A. So visit the Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. I will call the number you are going to see on this screen for intensive, vivid, and more explanatory explanation on this. Visit Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife. Thank you. Number 5, people suffering from myopia. People suffering from myopia. Option A, can see near object clearly. Option B, can see far object clearly. Option C, cannot see any object clearly. And option D, are colorblind. Option E, are able to see clearly in the dark. As we know that myopia is another name for a defect called short-sightedness. And those that are sufferers of myopia, they can see near objects clearly, but they can't see far. They can see near object clearly, as I've said, but they can't see far. The reason is because they can only see objects within a distance of 25 centimeter. That is a distance or the focal length of 25 centimeter. And the reason for this is that maybe the eyeball is too long, or the refractive ability is too strong. So once this has taken place, the image will be formed at the front of the retina. But once this person has taken the right measure, which is the concave lens or diverging or converging lens, the image will be formed at the back of the retina. So the people suffering from myopia can see near objects clearly, but they can't see far. So the option A is the best option for this. Like I've said, visit Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife or call the number you're going to see on this screen for intensive and more explanation. Call 080-3864-4328. Thank you. Okay. Like visit www.akahinews.org for more explanation and for more questions concerning School of Nursing. You are going to click on the student corner of this advert. Thank you.